If you've ever run an Airbnb business, then you know the passive and passive income is fake. The constant inquiries, the late night check-ins, and all the guest issues makes it feel like you're running a 24/7 operation. But what if I told you there was a way to actually build a fully automated passive Airbnb business? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I automate my entire business that has over 400 Airbnbs, which I only work 3 to 4 hours per week. That makes over $1 million per month. This entire process allows me to actually make money while I'm sleeping. All right, let me dive in. My name is Humza, Zafar, and I'm the world's biggest independent Airbnb arbitrage operator with over 450 units in my portfolio, doing over $1 million a month. I spend on average on a good week around 3 to 5 hours at the very max to run my entire business that generates over $10 million a year. The majority of Airbnb business owners are not actual owners. What they are is 24/7 operators. They do not understand how to actually take themselves out of the business because they're too busy in the trenches working in the business. To get to my level, to scale past 100, 200, or even past 50 units, you need to build systems, use softwares and automations, and hire the right team. Right now, what you're currently doing is very time consuming. You're dealing with annoying guests calling you late at night, telling you I can't get into the property, when in reality, they don't really understand how to use a smart lock. You're running to your property back and forth, dropping off towels, dropping off toilet paper, wasting your time when you'd rather be spending with your family. This is not passive income, this is fake passive income. You're just another glorified operator. At that point, might as well get a 9-to-5 job because you'll actually get some benefits. A real automated business does not need your day-to-day involvement in the business to actually run. What I've built is real passive income because I can go live in Dubai, go to Greece, and go to Italy for 2-3 months at a time, and my business will continue making millions of dollars every single month. The best part is it's scalable. So as I scale to 1,000 units and even 500 units next month, it involves zero involvement from myself. This allows me to do the things that I actually enjoy in my life, which is spending time with my family, my friends, working on my hobbies, and doing things that I actually find fulfillment in. So here's a list of things that you have to automate in no particular order just to get your time back. The first thing you have to stop doing is messaging guests. And there's 2 ways to do this. The first one is you have to use a PMS software such as Hostaway. This allows you to create automatic scheduled messages to send to your guests before they check in, right after they check in, anytime a guest inquires, a follow-up message, and even a checkout message. So the majority of all the messaging that your guests are going to be asking you about is fully automated through Hostaway's automated message scheduler. But it doesn't stop there because the other 50% needs a real human interaction. That's where VAs come in. VA stands for virtual assistant. That assistant is essentially an employee of your business that handles everything from the day-to-day operations, talking to guests, filing damage claims, talking to Airbnb, doing everything and anything that you ask them to do. The reason why we use virtual assistants in this industry is because the cost of labor is way cheaper. Why would I pay an American citizen $60,000 to be on the phone all day when I can pay someone in Pakistan or India or even the Philippines $3 to $4 an hour instead to do the exact same job at almost 99% of the same quality? I have a team of 30 VAs in the Philippines that I pay $4 an hour to run my entire business. Everything from guest communication, filing claims, talking to Airbnb, talking to guests on the phone, even talking to property managers, cleaners, handymen, everything and anything you can name of, they handle it. With those 2 things combined, using an automated schedule messenger such as Hostaway and having VAs to fill in the gaps, that is the first step to completely remove yourself from guest communication and talking to guests that are wasting your time. The second one is Breezeway. Breezeway is a software that my company uses to automate the entire cleaning process for all my teams in multiple different cities. Because I have 400 Airbnbs that are spread out throughout 7 different cities, we have multiple teams in multiple locations. So Breezeway automates everyone's schedules, their planning, and it even has robust features that allows the cleaners to send pictures after every clean. That way the VAs can check and make sure the unit was actually done properly. And in terms of physical devices that actually help automate your entire business, you should be using smart locks at the very least, ring cameras, and minute noise sensors to actually monitor your guests to make sure they're not causing a ruckus, being noisy, or even throwing parties. Just your 3 devices themselves helps automate the entire physical aspect of your guests actually checking in, checking out, and making sure you know exactly who's inside at any given time. The next one is revenue management and dynamic pricing software. Personally, I use Price Labs as my dynamic pricing software of choice. They have the best automated algorithm to actually price your property for you. Just syncing your listings to Price Labs and following the onboarding instructions gets you 70 to 80% of the way there to make sure you've actually automated the entire pricing of all your listings. That extra 20% of knowledge is where I come in, where I actually have the in-depth revenue management knowledge to make sure it's doing a proper job for my entire portfolio. I've had hundreds and over 1,000 students follow my exact steps on how to truly automate their entire business. I've had students come in that had only 10 properties, but they were spending more time running 10, where then now they scale up to 50 and spending less time running 50, doing over $100,000 a month. Because the biggest problem in this industry is that people don't understand how to delegate, they don't understand how to build systems, and they have no idea what it means to actually build a truly passive income business. If regular people running a 9-to-5 who have no knowledge or experience running an actual business can do this and automate their entire Airbnb business, then so can you. There's no difference between you and one of my students. It's that easy to implement. If you've reached the end of this video, you now have the exact steps needed to truly automate your entire Airbnb business and finally go from being an operator to finally being an owner, where you can finally start calling your business passive. You might spend a couple hours working on the business, but that'll be working on high leverage tasks. If Airbnb sounds like something you'd be interested in trying but don't know where to start, I can show you exactly how to start, scale, and automate a truly passive 8-figure Airbnb business without owning any property. And the best part is, if you don't get your first unit within the next 6 weeks, I promise to personally work with you directly to make sure you do. I've made over $10 million on Airbnb just in the last 12 months and have helped over 1,500 students do the exact same, quit their 9-to-5 and finally live a life freedom. So if you want my help, click the first link in the description. And if you want to learn more of exactly how people are getting rich off of Airbnb without owning any property, click the next video. I'll see you in the next one.